A wheel is born. Production of VULKOLLAN and polyurethane wheels at RAEDER-VOGEL. Each year we buy more than 5,500 tons of raw castings in grey and spheroidal graphite cast iron from European foundries. We only cooperate with manufacturers who use automatic moulding facilities to ensure minimal mould offset. That way we achieve optimum use of raw material and high concentricity. Together with our suppliers, we are continually optimizing all castings to save resources and reduce machining time. Our mechanical engineering department in Plant 1 is one of the most modern and flexible machine shops in northern Germany, with more than 30 turning machines and machining centers. Due to the high quality of the raw castings supplied to us, machining can be reduced to a minimum. In addition to grey and spheroidal graphite cast iron, we also machine all other wheel center materials, a total of more than 7,000 tons per year. Each day we manufacture up to 12,000 VULKOLLAN and polyurethane wheels in Plant 2. After machining, all wheel centers in the VULKOLLAN and polyurethane production follow the same process steps. First, all metal cores are shot blasted in order to achieve a pure metal surface. The surface roughness is subject to tight tolerances and is monitored continuously. In the next step, in a special washing process, all parts are cleansed of any contaminants, degreased and vacuum dried. Afterwards, the bonding agent is applied, an especially sensitive process step. Here the metal cores are sprayed with a special bonding agent by laser-guided machines. The bonding agent ensures adhesion between wheel centers and tread material. There are 4 production lines in the VULKOLLAN and polyurethane production. A longitudinal casting oven for big VULKOLLAN wheels, 2 rotary ovens for semi-automatic VULKOLLAN casting, 2 rotary ovens for semi-automatic polyurethane casting, a hand casting production line. Prior to coating, the wheel centers are heated to 120 degrees Celsius in special fusion ovens. Thus, the wheel center and the casting material have the same temperature and the bonding agent is activated chemically. In the longitudinal casting oven, wheels with a maximum diameter of 500 mm are cast semi-automatically. Due to a total oven length of 18 meters, an extended preheating and post-heating phase is ensured. After approximately 40 minutes, the wheel treads are hard enough for demoulding. The molds are cleaned and prepared for the next casting. On the second production line are the rotary ovens for VULKOLLAN casting. They are located directly below the automatic pre-polymer unit. On 2 counter-rotating tables we produce wheels up to 285 mm in diameter. With our heated rotary tables and radiation furnaces, we achieve a cycle time of 20 minutes. The high-performance elastomer VULKOLLAN is manufactured in a 2-tiered reaction from the components polyester polyol and desmodua 15 with the aid of the cross-linking agent butanediol. The preparation and coating of the wheel centers at the rotary ovens for our tried and tested standard polyurethane pivot pur is identical to the hot casting method used for VULKOLLAN. The quasi-pre-polymer is produced with the chain extender in a single-step reaction. The cycle time is 20 minutes. We can cast pivot-pour wheels with a maximum diameter of 300 mm. The fourth production line is hand casting. At this line, materials such as pivot-soft, Traktortan, Traktorsoft, electrically conductive VULKOLLAN and VULKOLLAN quartz are cast. These cannot be produced by automatic casting due to low shore hardness or the incorporation of granulate. The pre-polymer is prepared in hand reactors. We manufacture individual pieces as well as series with a casting weight of up to 90 kilograms with a maximum wheel diameter of 920 millimeters. For hand casting, the process parameters and process controls of semi-automatic casting also apply. The first curing process is the same for all wheel tread materials. The wheels are stored in a convection oven at 110 degrees Celsius for at least 18 hours. The cage pallets are gravity fed into the oven. There are 18 curing ovens accommodating 12 to 16 pallets each. After expiry of the first curing phase, the wheels are removed from the oven and stored in our curing room, which is unique worldwide. All products are stocked at 50% humidity and at least 20 degrees Celsius ambient temperature for 6 days. Afterwards, a cycle of 18 hours storage in the curing oven and 6 days storage in the curing room begins. Depending on the thickness of the wheel tread and the operational demands on the wheels, this cycle is repeated for up to 6 weeks. In the step following the first curing phase, excess material is removed by turning. This is necessary because of the shrinkage of the wheel tread material. Due to our wide product range, we employ the full spectrum of production methods, from conventional machining to fully automated flexible production. We also machine the wheel tread in accordance with customers' requirements. For high-volume parts such as pallet rollers and stabilizing wheels, we are using an automatic mounting machine which consists of 2 rotary tables. Components such as ball bearings, spacer sleeves and bushes, as well as sealing systems from our own production, are supplied by vibrating spiral conveyors and assembled by press fitting. Perfect concentricity of the ball bearing seats is the prerequisite for this process-reliable assembly method. The quality of our wheels as well as our technical innovations are tested on our drum test rig at regular intervals. The test rig permits test speeds of up to 30 km per hour with a maximum test load of 70 kN. We carry out endurance tests, tests with predetermined load increases, as well as individually programmed driving tests according to the field of application.